Hi everybody, it's Cricket from Cricket Store Decor. I was contacted by a company to do a review on this glue gun. I bought it off of Amazon. I don't make money off of this. They just sent it to me for free to try it out. So you can find it on Amazon, and the company name I will put in the description. And I will also put the Amazon link or the product in my Amazon storefront so you can find it. But it comes with this beautiful little carrying case. And it comes with all kinds of glue sticks. And the one good thing about this is a mini glue gun, but it's cordless. And it's got a little stand you just attach, and you just do that. That's it. And this takes the smaller glue sticks, but these are a little bit longer than your average glue stick. Let me see if I have some of the other ones. Yeah, so see, they're a little bit bigger, so that's nice. And the name of the glue gun is BLEDS. It's BLEDS. And it also has a little stand here too as well. And it comes with a little user's manual and a QR code in the back that you can scan. And it comes with your USB charging cord. So we are going to get this charged up and see how it works. And you just plug it in right in the back here and hook it up. It just plugs into your USB port. And it has a red light on the back. So I imagine when it's finished charging that it'll turn green. So we'll come back. And I believe this is only a 1 temperature glue gun because there's only an on and off switch. But that's also nice too, because I have the smaller glue gun that you can't turn it off. You have to keep unplugging it and plugging it back in. So that's really nice. So when it's charged, we'll come back and see how it works. Okay, so I'm back and the light did turn green, as you can see now. So we're gonna unplug it, turn it on. And the light turns blue. I guess it turns green when it's ready. Let's put some glue in it. That might help. Okay, so it only took a couple minutes to heat up. This does not turn green, but it's ready. So let's see how it does. And it's got a really nice little fine point on it. So let's just see. Oh, I like it. It doesn't drip. Let's see how it does. I wouldn't normally use this for my wreaths, but for like more detailed projects, making wreath attachments, anything, you know, more detailed. But it works very well. it is nice for these stems. It goes like right on, which I like. Whereas my bigger glue gun puts a lot of glue on there. Sometimes drips all over the place. But this is very precise. So I really like that. As you can see. Okay, so I like it. It heats up really fast. It did only take about, I think, 20 minutes to a half hour to charge, but I don't, you know, I just got it, so I don't know if it was a little bit charged in the case. But I would definitely recommend. It's really light. It's a cute little pink color. Comes with a really nice case, and again, it comes with this user manual. That's the name of the company. Well, I'm not sure that's the name of the company, but that's the brand that makes it, the BLEDS. And I'll link it in the description box. So yeah, I would definitely recommend.